Hi, my dear students. So today we are going to start our lecture number 2 of mathematics, and we have already done question number 6. So we will start our today's lecture by question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. Open your textbook, page number 99. Seventh one. Asha bought 1 kg of rice for rupees 50. 1 kg of rice for rupees 50, 500 gram of butter for rupees 62, and 2 kg of wheat flour at the rate of rupees 12 per kg. So फर्स्ट वी हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे और जो भी कंटेंट हमें दिया है हम उसे नोट डाउन करेंगे. फर्स्ट, आशा बॉट 1 kg ऑफ राइस फॉर रुपीज 50. 1 kg राइस उसने 50 रुपीज़ की लेकर आई. 500 ग्राम ऑफ बटर फॉर रुपीज 62. 2 kg ऑफ व्हीट फ्लोर at the rate of rupees 15 kg. रुपीज 12 पर kg, मतलब 1 kg 12 rupees. So 2 kg is equal to how many rupees? Means 12 multiplied by 2. 12 twos are 24. So 24 rupees 24 kg. She gave 100 rupees note. उसने 100 रुपीज़ की नोट शॉपकीपर को दी and 150 rupees note, मतलब total she gave 150 rupees. Okay, let me take the wide screen. Okay, question number 7, your solution. So what did she bought 1 kg rice at rupees 50. 500 gram butter at rupees 62. 2 kg wheat at rupees 20 per kg. So at rupees 12. Okay, at rupees 12 per kg. Per kg means 1 kg कितने रुपीस का है? 12 रुपीस का. 1 kg is equal to 12 rupees. Therefore 2 kg is equal to 24 rupees. What we have done? We have multiplied. हमने क्या किया? 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24. Okay. So now she gave शॉपकीपर को कितने रुपीस दिया? शॉपकीपर रुपीस 150. Okay, she gave 150 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much money does shopkeeper will give back? Shopkeeper आशा को कितने रुपीस वापस देगा? फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमें ये सारे रुपीस का क्या करना है? एडिशन करना है. हमको देखना है कि कितना होता है टोटल. सो टोटल परचेस, मतलब टोटल हाउ मच शी हैज परचेस, मतलब उसने कितना खरीदी. टोटल अमाउंट रुपीज 50 प्लस रुपीज 62 प्लस रुपीज 24. ओके, now we will add this 50, 62, 24. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 6, 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, 11 plus 2, 11, 12, 13. Okay, the answer is 136. So total उसने कितने रुपीज स्पेंड की? 136. Now she will get back. Okay, return rupees means shopkeeper को 150 minus 136. 150 minus 136. 5 cut 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So how much rupees she will get? Minus rupees 14. उसको वापस कितने रुपीस मिलेंगे? 14 रुपीज. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव डन, सबसे पहले हमने क्या करें? फर्स्ट वी हैव रिटन 1 kg राइस इज इक्वल टू ₹50. मतलब हमने ये लिखे उसने क्या क्या परचेज करी. ओके, 500 ग्राम बटर ऑफ ₹62. 2 kg वीट ऑफ ₹12 पर kg. 1 kg 12 रुपीज का, तो 2 kg कितने रुपीज के होंगे? 24 रुपीज. एंड शी गेव शॉपकीपर ₹150. शॉपकीपर को उसने कितने रुपीज दी? 150. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव डन द टोटल ऑफ द परचेसिंग अमाउंट. हमने जितनी चीजें उसने खरीदी उसका क्या करें? हमने टोटल करें. 50 प्लस 62 प्लस 24 इज इक्वल टू ₹136. देन 150 उसने शॉपकीपर को 150 रुपीज दी. 150 में से माइनस 136. शॉपकीपर्स को कितने रुपीस रिटर्न करेंगे? ₹14. ओके, सो आशा shopkeeper returned her ₹14. So here you will write ₹14. Okay, write with the help of pencil. आप टेक्स्ट बुक में पेंसिल यूज करेंगे. How many days are there in 15 weeks? Okay, what they are asking you कि 15 weeks में question number 8, 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 15 weeks is equal to how many days? 15 weeks is equal to how many days? So what we will do? We will multiply. Means 7 multiplied by 15. 15 sevens is 105. 105 days. और if you don't know the table of 15 तो हम क्या करेंगे? 15 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 carry 3. 7 1s are 7. 8 9 10. So 105 is the answer. First हमने क्या लिखे? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 15 week is equal to how many days? Is 7 multiplied by 15 is equal to 105 days. Okay. So next is question number for 8. We will write here 105 days days. Next is question number 9. A factory produces 2,500 boxes in a day. Factory produce करती 2,500 boxes in a day. How many boxes will be produced in the months of March and April? March and April. ये 1 month हुआ and this one is equal to how many months? 2 months. 2 महीने में फैक्ट्री कितना प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? How much it will produce? So how we will count? Again, question number 9. 1 day, एक डे में 2,500 बॉक्सेस प्रोड्यूस होता है. सो 2 months में कितने बॉक्सेस? ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस. हाउ मेनी बॉक्सेस? सो 1 day is equal 1 month is equal to 30 days. 2 months is equal to 2 into 30 is equal to 60 days. So 1 day 2500 boxes. So 60 days is equal to how much? Then what we will do? We'll cross multiply. 2500 multiply by 60. So what will we get? 2500 multiply by 60. Zeros are 0. Zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Here cross. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. 0 carry 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 12. 13 14 15. Plus 6 1 is 6 is 12, 13, 14 and 15. Zeros are 0, zeros are 0, 0, 0, 5, 1. So, how much? 1,50,000 boxes will be produced in one day. एक दिन में कितने boxes produce होंगे? 1,50,000. Okay. Now, in the ninth one, we will write 1,50,000 boxes. Dia is planning to go to Mumbai on June 20. She received her train ticket 30 days in advance. What is the date of ticket reservation? Okay, what is the date of ticket reservation? ये क्वेश्चन में क्या? ये क्वेश्चन में क्या बताया 10th वाले में? दिया प्लान करी बॉम्बे जाने की एट 25th जून, मतलब शी वांट टू गो ऑन 25th जून, लेकिन 30 डेज पहले ही उसको टिकट आ गया. तो उसने टिकट कौन से डेट पे बुक की होंगी? वी हैव टू गो बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. मीन्स जून से पहले क्या आता? विच मंथ? मई. सो ऑन 27th May. Okay, you can write the numbers 1 2 3 4 5. 25th June का टिकट है, तो you can write the numbers and check it out. Write 0032 hours in 12 hours clock time. Okay, in 12 hours clock time, how do we write? So let's take the screen again. Twelfth one. No, it's 11th one. Sorry. Write 0032 hours in 12 hours clock time. So first 0032 hours in 12 hours clock. Okay, so how we have to find 00 plus 12 into 32. 12 is equal to 12 is to 32 hours. This will be your answer. Next is question number 11. 12. In question number 12, how many leap years are there between the year 2010 and 2020? 2010 और 2020 के बीच में जो लीप ईयर्स है हम वो लिखेंगे. सो 2012, 2016 are the two leap years. Okay, so here we will write the answer will be 12:32 hours. Here the answer will be 2012 and 2016. In the same way, here the answer will be 9. So 13:12. First 13th we will solve it. A flight from Dubai takes off at 2:21:39 hours and arrive in India at 00:05 hours. Means 5 hours के बाद इंडिया में arrive होते. How much time is taken by the flight to reach India? 21:39 means the time is 9:39 a.m. So after 5 hours, 9 के बाद और 5 hours काउंट करना. 9, 10, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. So the answer will be 2:39 a.m. Anil and Atul are playing with toy cars. Anil's toy car ran 5 meter 9 dm 5 centimeter and Atul's car ran only 385 centimeter. How much far will Anil's car run? Okay. So Atul's car is 5m, 9 dm and 5 centimeter, and Atul's his car is 358 centimeter. So minus 8 minus 5 will be 3. 3, 5, 3 centimeter, 9 dm and 5 meter far. So this will be your answer. Next, question number 15. Say yes to convert smaller unit into larger unit. We multiply. Yes. The cost of 1 score of banana is ₹80. एक banana ₹80 का है. So what is the cost of 2 dozens bananas? 1 score is equal to 20. Means 1 score is equal to 20 banana. So 2 dozen, 1 dozen is equal to 12 bananas. 2 dozen is equal to 24 bananas. So 1 score 20 dozen, 20 bananas, and 2 dozen is equal to 24 bananas. So 1 score is equal to how much? 80 rupees. So 2 dozen is equal to how much? So the cost of 1 score of banana is ₹80. What is the cost of 2 dozen bananas? 1 score is equal to 20 rupees. So where we were, let me take the screen. Okay. Question number 16. 1 score is equal to ₹80. Means 20 bananas is equal to rupees 80. So 24 bananas is equal to how much? How many rupees? So 80 multiplied by 24 divided by 20. 0, 0, cut. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 12 eights are 96. So your answer will be 96. Question number 16, the answer will be rupees 96. A tanker of capacity 25 liters has 19 liters 450 ml of oil. How much more oil can be put into it? So 25 minus 19. What will be the answer? 25 minus 19 is equal to 6. 6 liter and 450 ml. 3 baskets of mangoes weigh 12 kg, 250 grams, 18 kg, 500 grams, and 17 kg, 750 grams. Find their total weight. So what we have to do? We have to plus 12 plus 18 plus 17. So the total weight will be, how we will plus? I will show you. Question number 18. 12 kg, 250 grams, 18, 500, 17, 750. Okay, plus 0, 0, 5, 10, 7, 5, 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6 carry 1, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 7, it's 18. 3, 4, 48 kg, 600 gram. So the answer is 48 kg, 600 gram. Which has one endpoint, a line, a segment, or a ray? A ray. Because line has 2 arrows, segment has 2 points, but ray has 1 point and 1 arrow. So you can join this dots and you can form a symmetry. Next, 21, you have to find the perimeter. So this is 4, this is your rectangle and this is your triangle. This is 4 means this is also 4 centimeter. So this figure is divided into 2 shapes. Find the sum of the perimeter of these 2 shapes. Means perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length in plus breadth. Means 2, 4 plus 4 is equal to 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 8s are 16. So perimeter of rectangle is 16. Perimeter of triangle is equal to length plus breadth. Perimeter of triangle is length plus breadth. So 2 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So here it is 8 and perimeter of rectangle is 16. So perimeter of rectangle is more than perimeter of triangle. Okay. Perimeter of triangle, in perimeter of triangle हम क्या लेंगे? We will take the sides, all the 3 sides, 1, 2 and this one 3. Next we will go to 22. Who sold the maximum number of fruit baskets? See, this is the graph given to you. These are the name of the persons. These are name of the fruit baskets sold. So the blue line indicates the marking till where they have sold. So maximum sold is by Ankur. How many baskets did Rajesh sell? Rajesh, it is between 300 and 400, so it is 350 baskets. Who sold 250 fruits basket? 250 fruit basket. Who sold? This is your, it's Manoj. What amount did Pankaj get if he sold each basket for rupees 200? You will find the answer by your own, because I have already shown you how to find. The answer is rupees 1 lakh. Okay. You have to solve this according to the first sum of Asha. Okay. आशा का जैसे हमने sum solve करे उसी तरह हमें ये भी sum solve करना है. You just go back and solve it. Next is your homework. You will solve from question number 7 to question number 22 3 times. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.